Alex? I'm so tired. Can we rest here for tonight?
No, I'm sorry, but we must keep moving. You don't have much time, and besides, we're running low on water already. I know where some is, just a little farther. Come on.
Okay. When do you think Annabelle will come back? Do you think she's looking for us?
It's possible. I doubt the fairy meeting is still going on.
You don't think she went to Leo's castle looking for us, do you?
I really don't know, but there's nothing we can do about it. She can make her own way around and will find us eventually. But right now your life is in danger and we need to keep moving.
Okay. So, your mother is queen over the whole fairyland? How big is this place?
Yep, and it's pretty big. She has a big job to do.
Do you have a father?
I had a father. He's gone now. Xavier killed him.
I'm sorry. Were you two alike?
No, we were nothing alike, actually. He was brave, courageous, and died saving the people he loved. Unlike me. I really looked up to him, but one day I'll get my revenge. Don't worry. I'll be the one personally to make sure Damien wishes he was never born.
That won't make you feel better. The only person your hate is hurting is you. Justice should be served, but if you have hate in your heart, it'll just push out the love you can give to others, and does a lot more harm than good. It takes a much stronger person to forgive than to hate.
And you don't hate him just the least bit for all he's done to you and your family?
No, hate isn't going to save me or my family. It's just a distraction from being happy and living a happy life. Hate is like quicksand. The more you dwell on it and struggle, the farther you fall. You just have to forgive and let go. Focus on what will make you happy, not pull you down farther. You'll at least think about it, won't you?
You sound just like my mom.
But seriously.
I'll think about it. For you.
No, not for me. For you. No, Tiana! I have to go get the queen.
Here's where we can sleep.
How do we get across? The river is too deep.
Don't worry, I'll make us a way. You can just rest now.
But I can help you.
No, trust me, I can do it. Go rest.
Okay. Wow, Alex. I didn't realize you were such a talented carpenter. This is amazing.
Thanks. I actually learned from my dad.
Wow, it's nice.
In exchange for a dry ride across the river, would you make us some stew?
Okay, deal. Do you miss your mom?
Yes, I do.
I miss my dad and my mom. When I was young, my mom used to read me my favorite book. Then we would drink hot milk and honey while we stared at the stars. Then she would sing me Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star while I went to sleep. I really miss those days.
I want to show you something. It's just a little ways from here. Come on.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes? Alex, I don't know what to say. This place? It's amazing. Oh, look!
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free. There's simply nothing we can't do, as long as you just feel it too. Open up your eyes and see the world, and we can win this game. As long as you just feel the same, you'll never walk alone.
Well, I told you you'd like it.
I still don't know what to say. That was the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life. Thank you.
We better rest now, though. We still have a long walk ahead of us.
Okay, good night.
Rise and shine.
5 more minutes.
I'm sorry, but this isn't exactly the palace. We gotta go now.
Okay. What's that?